Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the platform and gathering credentials. Confirm UEFI support and note model-specific keystrokes to enter firmware. Once done, create a recovery USB and back up important files so you can restore if needed. Make sure you have administrative rights and any existing firmware/OS passwords. Next, reboot and enter UEFI/BIOS using the device-specific key. You will be acting in firmware, so move deliberately and take note of current secure boot settings before changing anything. You now change the secure boot configuration. Once in UEFI, go to the Security or Boot section and locate Secure Boot. Change mode to Custom or Setup so you can manage keys. This lets you export or view current keys for safety. If your goal is to disable Secure Boot, clear the platform key or switch Secure Boot to Disabled, but understand that removing PK affects trust and may prevent some OS boots. After making the change, save and choose to reboot to apply it. You finish by saving changes in UEFI and rebooting to confirm the operating system starts as expected. If the system fails to boot, immediately re-enter firmware and restore previously exported keys or load UEFI defaults, then use your recovery USB to repair bootloader entries. Make sure to document any error messages or codes. These details speed troubleshooting. If you still cannot recover, contact the device vendor with logs and model info, because some platforms enforce factory keys or require.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.